upstate New York, and here's an abandoned service station. Here's a meter that's going to tell me if it really is. No, it's not moving. Oh, it could be a recent abandonment, I don't know. There's a truck in there. But it is kind of in disarray. I saw something looking out that window right there. But it might be like the way the glass, it's kind of warped. And as I walk past it, it kind of makes all these weird shapes. I hope I can get in. Here's an old door, a very old car. Can't see it because of the glass, it's like warped. Wow, definitely a cool thermometer. It's barely legible. It's been here so long. There's all stuff cramped in it. Can't really see much. There's something in the window. I didn't really check to see if the door was open. I shouldn't, but yeah, it's not open. Here's another door. Could this door be open? The door. Nope, it's locked. And rightly so. You can peek in right here. I don't know what this place is. There's bounty towels on the shelf that look brand new. But it's definitely not a store no more. Upper portion here. Here's a truck that probably doesn't run no more. But it's probably still someone's truck, so. Unfortunately, there's a trailer here, so I think someone lives there maybe, or there's a truck with no license plate. I don't know. This place looks abandoned too. Yeah, this truck's not being used. It's not abandoned, but you know. Oh wow. This is the back of the place. like junk everywhere, junk car parts. But this is strange, how they got this truck like this. Did someone die in this? Was this a failed modification? Something happened. You can't really get near it. It's got all this stuff here. Even the kitchen sink. It's a cool kitchen sink. I don't know what year it's from. 1929. It's a cool sink. They had the faucets replaced. It's all webs on it. They can get a little close. Maybe I see something here. There's an old sign, no parking. Hope you can see something. I'll try and show you something. That's a window. The sun is very bright and it's causing a bad glare. There's some kind of vehicle, it's just a chassis. And then something used to stand here that is no longer standing. This is just the foundation. It goes down pretty far. About 4 or 5 feet, so wouldn't want to fall in there. Whatever it was. Looked like a lift. Then here's this side. There's that chassis with wheels. And this is the side here. Something was, yeah, there was a building here. That's like the roof. Remnants of the roof. So I don't know what's in there, but goes down in there. There's some kind of metal contraption. So since this place was may have been a repair place, maybe some kind of lift. Signing out.